Hi, I'm here with ENHYPEN's Memories Step 1, and I got the DVD and the Pieces of Memory set, so I didn't expect this to be so small, but it's so small. But it's very cute. I actually like that it's small because I don't have any room for bigger things anymore. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go through this small one first. Okay, so here is the Pieces of Memories version. So it's a slip cover. That's cute. And let's see. I think the photo card is in here. Yeah, so let's go through the little book. Oh, it's so cute. Jungwon, Sung and Jae, Jake and Sunghoon, Sunu and Nikki. Oh, these are so cute. These look like old pictures. Well, I guess since it's the memories, this looks like their show that they had, but I could be wrong. I think it says actually. Yeah, it's Island. So cute. So this is the debut trailer. Yeah, I recognize these outfits. From Border Day 1. They look so small. I didn't realize how big they got. So this is Give and Taken photo shoot. This song was so good. I love their debut song. This is Dream of Dreams dance practice. Their Halloween costumes. This is super cute. And I think this is Border Day 1 still. Debut show. Season's greetings. New Year's Eve live. Fan meet. These are all like little selfies, like they take so many selfies. Oh, those are so cute. The roses. There's the team dashed. So cute. Yeah, and ENHYPEN never disappoints in their songs. I love all their title tracks. Super cute. These are more recent pictures. So cute. Okay, so that's the end of the book. It's a very cute book. And it's like matte. So I think this is where a photo card is, and let's see who I got. Is that Sanu? Super cute. I got Sanu. He has like a is that a filter? Oh no, he's actually wearing those cat ears. So cute. This is actually a really cute card, and he has like different color eyes. And then there's like a little, is this like a top litter? Oh, it is. I guess you could keep the photo card in here. That's so cute. I want to keep this card. I don't collect Sunu, but it's super cute. So yeah, that's a little envelope. The photo card comes in. So let me move on to the next thing. Okay, now I have the DVD. This is a bigger box. So it has this little tie on it. Cute. So let's open it up. I don't know where like the stuff is. Oh, I already see. I don't think that's random though. So let's see. It's a very big book. I'll go through this first. Go through the photo book. It's so big. Aw, those are so cute. I guess those are like pre-debut photos. So cute. Oh my god, Nikki looks so small. So this is Border of Day 1. This is my favorite like era of them. I really like their debut. This is the Let Me In music video. I think their photo cards have the Let Me In outfits. I really like that music video. These pictures are so cute. They're like behind the scenes. Oh. Is a photo card in here? Oh, it is. I can't look at it. Yeah, I collect Jungwon and Jay, but I don't know if I don't really collect their non-album cards, so I might just keep whoever I pull, but I really like the Let Me In outfits, and I saw the photo card previews. So this is Border Carnival. Also a good era. I'm glad I got this. It's really cute. So cute. Not to mention Dilemma. So cute. This looks like the music video scene. Their music show win. Now to mention answer. This gave me like a throwback vibe. I kind of felt like Border Day 1. I like the colors in that. Okay, and there's a thanks to. So cute. The credits. So that was a very cute photo book. Very big. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so there's this big folder with the disc. There's 3 discs. So disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. All different colors, so that's cool. Okay. Then we have this here. I don't think this is random, I think it's a full set. So we have Jungwon. Oh wait, it's a fold out thing. Jungwon, so cute. Sung and Jae, Jake and Sunghoon, and Sunu and Nikki. So that's cool. They're all like in different eras. Well, some of them are. And the back just has their names on it. It's cute. Then I saw this Polaroid. It's a group picture. So cute. I don't know if this is random or not. Need to check, but from Border Day 1. And the photo card is Nikki. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, so I got Nikki. These photo cards are too cute. So, yep. So that was my unboxing of ENHYPEN's Memories Step 1. So yeah, thank you for watching.